Hi, y'all. Welcome back to Bam Glam DIY. Whether you agree or not, the season is here and the colors are speaking for it. Right now, you should be considering making production that are in line with the season. This is the Christmas season, and a lot of vendors would want to give out gift items to their customers. Also, schools, offices would want to give out hampers to them. If you make your production to be in tune with what the season is called for, you will actually have visibility and the market will be there for you. So that is why I'm teaching you today how you can actually turn down your liquid soap business into something that is also season friendly. So we'll be making this very beautiful liquid soap you just saw me display. This liquid soap is transparent, is very viscous, it is also very foamy. Foaming no be joke o, it is very foaming. It foams a lot and it cleanses very well. Your customers will actually appreciate it if you make it for them. And then I will be making it in line with the color that is in trend. Right now, the color that is in trend is green color, yellow color, golden color. By new year, we'll be switching to blue and silver. But right now, let's make our production to suit what is available right now. And then your stickers, you can work on your stickers and change your stickers into printing it in green and white color and attaching something like Merry Xmas to it. This will actually sell your product. I bet you it will sell your product. It means that your product is fresh, it means you just produce them, and it means you know what is happening in the world. So stay tuned while I teach you this very free recipe. This recipe is worth money. It's supposed to be a paid recipe, but I want to share it with you all for free so that you will know that Bam Glam helped me in this 2025. She taught me a lot that I learned and I'm using it to feed myself and my family. So stay tuned while we go into this production. I will always write the recipe on the screen, even at the end of the video. Once this video click 5 minutes, you will see the recipe on the screen for you to display and screenshot. Meanwhile, I'm using 200 grams of SLS rice. You can increase it to 250 grams to 300 grams if you want it more foamy. Now, this SLS rice, it dissolve it with 1.5 liters of water and set aside. While it is dissolving, combine 500 grams of kitchen salt, sodium chloride, into 600 grams of Texapon. I know you are wondering, why am I not using 500 grams of Texapon? I want it very viscous. That is why I'm using 600 grams of Texapon gel in this production. Texapon gel is the same thing as your SLES, sodium lauryl ether sulfate. I'm using the N70 type, which is the thick type. I combine 600 grams of Texapon gel with exactly half a kilo of salt. Half a kilo of salt is 500 grams. Into it, I will add in this, our SZBS foam booster. The foam booster is 150 ml. You can up it up to 200 or 200 ml. Just add it in. It will help to remove oil stains, especially if those people who are buying it will want to use it for their plates. Remember, you are making this thing to catch people's eye so that by next year you'll be selling more. So now going with extra 1.5 liters of water into your Texapon and salt mix. Right now we have used a total of 3 liters of water. I told you 6 liters of water we'll be making use of. Remember, I use 1.5 for SLS, 1.5 for the Texapon. Now into your Texapon mix, add in your fragrance and glycerin. These two things, if you add it later at the end, it can make your production to turn watery. So add it right now before you start gaining your thickness. Once you are done, enter into the production with your SLS liquid, because by now it must have dissolved. Just add it in and blend it and mix it very well. It looks a bit watery and a bit cloudy. Don't worry, this production will just wow you. Now going with an extra 1.5 liters of water into this production. Mix it vigorously. The next 1.5 liters of water, we'll be using it to dilute our preservative. I know you'll be bothered. you don't have methylparaben where you are staying, please, you can look out for liquid Jamal Plus. It's also a preservative. You can look out for phenoxyethanol. They are good preservatives. So even if you don't find methylparaben, no problem. And then going with the last 1.5 liters of water, you are done with this production. Once you are done, mix everything, jelly, and set it aside so that it can settle. By the next day, you'll be having a flawless production. At this point, you should know what you are about to expect the next day, because you should have gotten that viscosity, that texture you are actually looking out for. Nobody wants to buy a running liquid soap. It will make it finish so quickly, but if it's viscous, it will actually help to retain the way they pour. It will help to prevent splashes and spill, thereby controlling the production. And now the next day, this is what you have. Look at it. Just film and snap and picture. Can you see how beautiful this production is? Clear, viscosity, check. Transparency, check. Is it working? Is it foaming? Just check the next clip. Just be patient enough. Let me show you how this soap actually forms. So what is holding you from starting that business that is in your mind? Every day you are planning on what you will do to help yourself. You keep sending me messages. I'm a single mom, or I'm trying to help my family. I want your guide on how to go into this production business. What have you done with what I've been teaching you so far? I know I charge money to teach you, but the ones that I have taught free, what have you actually done with it? It's time you move yourself from hobby, I love making soap, into becoming a CEO of your own brand. It's time you start working on that idea. It's time you put it down on a piece of paper. Plan yourself, strategize yourself, and before you know, you'll be starting your 2016 with flying colors. Thank you all for liking this video and watching to the end of this video. I hope you got my advice. Kudos to you. You are doing exceptionally beautiful.